I hope you're all having a great day and are ready for some more science. So for today, we're going to continue working on the project that we started on the town of Juliana and transitioning into being an eco-friendly town in that it's using more renewable energy versus using non-renewable energy. So you guys, if you don't have your paper that you originally turned in, that's okay. You can just take out a new sheet of paper, but I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys what we technically already talked about and then what I expect you guys to do today. So we started our engineering design by defining what our problem was and then talking about our constraints. So remember, constraints means limitations or things that could potentially be a problem within our design. So we noted that there was 300 people. If we wanted to use a dam in order to provide energy, it would only provide energy for 200. And if we use solar panels, it would only provide energy for 25. So that was those were two of them. And then we also have the constraints of the weather conditions that we have. So obviously, if we have a dam, we have to consider the possibility that there could be a drought. And for the solar panels, the town only gets sunlight. Obviously, this is a fake town, so most places get sunlight year round. But for this specific project, we're seeing sunlight in terms of we only see sunlight 6 months because it gets 50%. So 6 months out of the 12 months. So that's another constraint that we would have to think about when we're planning our solutions to our problem. So again, I'm just going to read the problem, but you guys, I told you guys it was okay to have what I wrote down, or you could reword your problem how you wanted it. But our problem was the town of Juliana wants to reduce its use of non-renewable energy. And from what I saw, most of you, remember I told you guys this is the amount of energy that a dam creates. This is the amount of energy that one solar panel creates. And you guys were supposed to come up with a solution. And most of you came up with 1 dam and 4 solar panels. So that's what you should have already done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like in my notebook. And now since we came up with our solution, we're moving on to making a model. So again, we're not in school, we're doing distant learning, so we can't build a model, but I want you guys to go ahead and draw it out. So what would your model look like? But I want you guys to just start with the general basics. So I drew out something simple, but if you want to get more in detail with your town, you can. But I just drew this box to represent the town of Juliana. Right up here, I have the homes. Right down here is where like the town center is, or like the town square. And then over here we have where the farming happens. And then all around is just, I want to say like wilderness, like empty fields. And then in this corner over here, we have the river, and the arrow shows the direction of the water flow. So with your plan that you developed, remember, this is the example I'm using. You can have a different plan as long as it's providing energy for the 300 people in your town. I want you to draw a model of where you would place those. So you see that your homes are right here. You see that the river's right here, and there's a town square over here. Where would you place your solar panels and your dam to be more efficient? And that's what you'll be doing today. So you're creating your model. And when you're done, I just expect you to take a picture of it and then upload that onto Google Classroom. If you need help doing that, go ahead and email me. Or if you have any questions, go ahead and email me and I'll respond to you guys as quickly as I can. But other than that, that's all you guys are doing for today. And we'll talk about this again some more on Friday. Have a great day, guys.